Let's make curry stew. Yes, I'm making curry stew for the first time ever. I've never tried to make this, but I'm going to attempt to make it, and we're gonna see how it came out. I'm gonna take y'all on each step how I get it done. Listen, it's my first time, so don't try to be in the comments. Be like, oh my God, what are you doing? Like, this is my first time ever making it. I'm going to season my meat up really, really good. You see, I got gloves on because I want my hand to be dyed with the curry. And I'm going to season it really, really good. I'm going to pop it in the refrigerator to marinate as well.
Yep.
Okay, y'all, I'm going to do a quick little grocery haul for a few items that I got from Walmart at the last minute. I got this bag of rice. I like this rice. It's been working for my family, and I like it, and it's good.
We all
I got
love
this bag of rice. I got two of these, actually. They're 2 pounds, and it feeds my whole family of 10. Next is I got some pancakes. I'm making some pancakes in the morning. That's pancakes mix. I got this to go in my stew tonight from chicken broth. I got a gallon of milk, of course. I got a thing of potatoes. I'm putting this in my stew too. Potatoes. I got a thing of saddle, so bam, look at it. I'm gonna use this to clean the bathroom. I'm gonna do a video of that too when we clean the bathroom. I thought I'm trying to do long form content because I'm lacking long form content. Oh, look at that fly. I got some all-purpose flour. A small little thing of it. I got some salt. I normally do not buy salt because I'm making white rice. I got the salt. And I got some bottle chicken adobo, but I ain't buying this one. I got some kidney beans. I'm gonna put this in my rice. They're gonna see how they come out. They're gonna see how they come out. I got 2 cans. I'm probably gonna use 1 can for today and 1 can for tomorrow. I got 4 sticks of butter, because butter makes everything taste better. And I got some portobello mushrooms. I will be putting this in my stew. Yes, I'm putting portobello mushrooms in my stew.
Tonight?
Because I love the way mushrooms taste. So y'all, I already done seasoned my meat. I'm about to take this meat and I'm about to put it in my pan. I already got my pan ready with the grease. So I'm just gonna pour it in there and it's gonna sizzle. It's gonna sizzle because the grease is nice and hot. I'm making stew basically. So I'm just gonna like brown this. I should have maybe I should put it in my bigger pot. I'm gonna let this brown. So y'all thought I'd try something different. I seasoned this the way I was seasoning oxtail or curry chicken. More so oxtails. I use oxtail seasoning. The way I will make curry oxtail, that's the way I season this stew. We're gonna try it out. Hopefully it comes out good. But this is I'm gonna let this sit and cook. And then I'm just gonna keep moving it around. But right now I'm just gonna let it sit and cook. I'm gonna let it brown, and then I'm gonna add my water and so forth on. So y'all seen the pot I had in it before. I had to switch it out because I had to switch it to this pan because that other pot was way too small. So I still gotta add a few things to this and it'll be done cooking because my kids like, Mommy, I need you to hurry up. I'm hungry. So y'all, I'm about to add my chicken broth to my stew. So y'all, I'm about to cook the rice. This is probably gonna measure out to 2 cups of this. These 50-cent cups at Walmart. So I'm gonna use that. That's 1 cup. Let's see if it give me 2 whole cups. Oh, it actually almost gave me 2. So I say this is about 4 cups of rice, maybe, I don't know. And the next thing I'm gonna do is head over to my water. Come on. This is burning me. So y'all, this is my 3rd cup of water. All I gotta do is add my salt, which I don't normally put salt in my water, but I'm gonna do it today. All I gotta do is add my salt. I'm gonna add my beans to this. I'm gonna add my butter. I'm gonna put my hand in the top on it. I'm going to put it on 7. I'm gonna let it cook, let the water dissolve, and I'm gonna add my 4th cup of water, and it's gonna be done. Which means trust the process. Right. I'm gonna take my beans and put it in this bowl, and I'm going to like rinse my beans off basically, cause it's out the can. And I like to rinse them off. I don't use the juices that came with the beans. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done completely rinsing these beans out. So y'all see how clear this water about to look? You can see right through it. That's how I like to rinse my canned beans off. So you see how clean it is? You can see right through the water. So y'all, I'm just put my beans right on top of my rice. Put the top back on that. I still gotta add my salt and my butter to it. Look, my rice is already boiling. It's already boiling, so I'm gonna add my butter to it.
Mom, look.
What's up?
Look. There's 2 beans in there.
Y'all, I'm gonna be right back. I gotta cut this butter up. So y'all, I done added my beans. I done added some seasonings. Next, I gotta put my butter in there and a little salt, and I'll be good. So as y'all can see, I done add my salt and I done add my butter. And next, I'm going to put my top on myself and I'm gonna let it cook. And it's going to come out amazing. So y'all, I'm about to cut up my potatoes, and like I said, I'm putting mushrooms in it. I've never made this before. I'm honestly about to really wing it. I'm putting some potatoes and some mushrooms in it. I'm about to slice and dice this up, and I'm gonna put it in the water so it can cook. So y'all, done cut up my potatoes, my mushrooms, and another thing of potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in a separate pot so it can cook. So as y'all can see, I done put my potatoes in a separate pot. I didn't put in here my meat to cook because my meat is completely done and it's tender. And I know if I take my potatoes and put it in this pot, it's gonna cause my meat to overcook and then fall apart, and I don't want it to do that. Update on my rice. This is how it's looking. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Gotta add my cup of water to that and that'll be done. So y'all, the stew is done. It's so much in there, it's literally boiling over. But my stew is completely done and it tastes amazing. I promise you it tastes amazing. My rice is done as well and it tastes amazing because I taste that too. So I'm about to make the kids say plates. Ready. So y'all, my curry stew is done and my rice is done. I'm about to take the first plate, which is definitely gonna be Kyle's because he been a good camera guy. So I'm definitely about to like hook him up low key. You know, gotta make some room for the stew.
I'm blushing.
This stew I made a whole, like I didn't intend for it to be this much, y'all. Like, it's a lot of it. That's how the stew was looking.
No, I just want stew.
Yeah, that's a lot. Like I made a lot. I didn't know it was gonna make this much, but it made this much. It really made this much. I don't know. I hope my mushrooms done. I didn't even taste them to see if they was done, but we're gonna just hope it's done. This guy here plate, y'all. He gonna eat this whole thing. Thanks to the camera guy, he gets split first. All right, catch. And this is what's left of the rice, and we're gonna definitely have this for leftovers tomorrow. So y'all, this is the stew, curry stew. So I'm about to taste it. I'm about to let y'all know how good it is. The kids said it's smackalicious, but I'm about to taste and see if it's good. So y'all, I'm about to try the stew. The kids said it's smackalicious. I'm about to try it. Trying to get a little bit of everything, potato, beef, and everything, and beans. I'm about to see how it tastes. It's hot. I ain't about to put my mouth.
That's my bowl. That's my bowl. Can I get the double? Get a cup from there.
No, you put hot sauce in that. It's hot. That's good. That's good. Rate the food 1 to 10.
It's 10, but it hurt. It hurt so good.
Rate the food 1 to 10.
I ain't getting enough beans in my rice.
A billion.